You've probably been told a lie about gasoline. You pull up to the pump, you see regular, mid-grade, premium, and you figure that's the only choice. You might even think it all comes from the same big tank anyway, right? But what if I told you the real difference in gasoline is something automakers like BMW, Toyota, and General Motors have been shouting about for years? They disagreed so strongly with the idea that all gas is created equal that they got together in 2004 to create their own quality standard. This is because the government's minimum requirements just weren't protecting their engines. This is the ultimate 2026 guide to what that standard is. By the end of this, you'll know exactly which pumps to trust and which to avoid to protect the second biggest investment you own, your car. Section 1. The problem. What you don't see is hurting your car. Let's start with the problem. You put gas in and it runs. But over time, something nasty can start happening inside your engine. Lower quality gasoline can leave behind gross carbon deposits. Think of it like plaque building up in an artery. These deposits glom onto critical parts like your fuel injectors and intake valves. At first, you won't notice a thing. But as this gunk builds up, it starts to choke your engine. Fuel injectors need to spray a fine, precise mist. When they get clogged, that perfect spray gets sloppy. Intake valves have to seal shut perfectly to maintain compression, but when they're caked in carbon, they can't. This leads to problems. Fuel economy drops, the engine idles rough, and it can even pump out more emissions. The things automakers spent billions engineering out of their cars are being slowly put back in by cheap fuel. The EPA mandated detergent levels in the 90s, but as engine tech like turbocharging raced ahead, that minimum standard was left in the dust. Automakers saw warranty claims pointing directly to fuel quality. They knew they had to do something to protect their customers and reputations. So what did they do? In 2004, a small group of some of the biggest names in the car business, specifically BMW, General Motors, Honda, and Toyota, created their own voluntary certification for gasoline quality. They called it Top Tier. This is the key. Top Tier isn't a brand of gasoline. It's not a type of fuel like premium. It is a quality certification. It's a standard that demands a much higher concentration of high-quality detergent additives than the EPA minimum. Reports from independent groups like AAA suggest it can be 2 to 3 times the amount of cleaning agents. These detergents are designed to do one job: keep your engine clean. They prevent deposits from forming and can even help clean up gunk left by lesser fuels. On top of that, the top-tier standard completely forbids the use of metallic additives, which can wreck your car's sensitive emission system. For a gas station brand to earn the top-tier license, they have to promise that every single grade of gas they sell, from regular 87 all the way up to premium 93, meets this higher standard. So when you see that top-tier logo, you know you're not just buying marketing hype. You're buying fuel that's certified to meet the strict standards of the people who actually built your engine. I know what you're probably thinking. This sounds nice, but is it just a gimmick to get me to pay more? This is where the story gets really interesting. The most powerful evidence comes from AA, the American Automobile Association. They paid an independent lab to run a detailed study. They took engines and ran them for the equivalent of 4,000 miles, some on top-tier gasoline and some on regular non-top-tier gas. The results were wild. The engines that ran on non-top-tier fuel developed, on average, 19 times more carbon deposits on their intake valves. 19 after just 4,000 miles. Think about what that looks like after 40,000 or 100,000 miles. AAS research also showed that long-term use of lower-quality gas could slash your fuel economy by 2% to 4% and jack up your emissions. But here's the best part. They found the average price difference between top-tier and non-top-tier gas was only about 3 cents a gallon. For less than 50 cents on a 15-gallon tank, you're buying a massive amount of engine protection. And for those of you thinking it might be too late for your car, AA tested that too. They took an already dirty engine and started running top-tier fuel through it. The detergents actually began to clean up and remove a huge chunk of the existing deposits. So it's not just for prevention. It can be a cure. This is more critical in 2026 than ever. Modern engines with tech like GDI, where fuel is blasted directly into the combustion chamber, are extremely sensitive to these deposits. Keeping them clean isn't a suggestion anymore. It's essential for long-term health. So I'm curious, before watching this, were you already a die-hard top-tier user, or did you just pull into whatever station was cheapest? Let me know in the comments which gas station gets your business. It's always fascinating to see the regional favorites. And while you're down there, if you're finding this useful, hit that subscribe button. It ensures you won't miss more guides. Alright, we've covered the what, the why, and the proof. Now let's get to the where, which stations can you trust? Now keep in mind, this list is always evolving. I'm going to cover the major national and regional players you're most likely to run into. You can fill up at Shell, Chevron, Exxon, Mobil, Marathon, Arco, Phillips 66, Conoco, 76, Sunoco, Valero, and CITGO. Now for the one that always surprises people, Costco Wholesale. Yes, Kirkland Signature Gas is fully top-tier certified. They blend that high quality with their wholesale prices, often making them one of the cheapest places to get the best fuel. The only catch is you need that membership card, but for a lot of drivers, the savings on gas alone can cover the annual fee. Beyond those giants, there are many other great brands that proudly carry the top-tier logo. Be on the lookout for these names in your area. Quick Trip or QT, a fan favorite known for its clean stations. Wawa and Sheetz, especially if you're on the East Coast, holiday gas stations. Cenex in the Midwest. Sinclair, with its classic green dinosaur. Rutter's Country Mark. And recently, BP and Amoco have rejoined the top-tier program, so you can add them to your list of trusted spots. This isn't a complete list, and you'll find great regional brands like Beacon and Shamrock on there too. The main takeaway is this: look for the top-tier logo right on the pump. That logo is your guarantee that you're getting fuel that meets the higher standard automakers demand. So the idea that all gasoline is the same? It's a myth. While the base fuel might come from the same pipeline, it's the critical additive package blended in right before it gets to the station. Automakers were so worried about cheap gas gunking up their engines that they created their own standard, top tier, and as we've seen from AAA's independent tests, this isn't just talk. It leads to engines that are up to 19 times cleaner, which means better performance, better fuel economy, and a longer, healthier life for your car.